Dad must have tried seeing this stuff.
He was almost happy, and he said, I want to be more happy. Give me something more. Wait, just wait, I'll give you.
Indian parents, I tell you, you do anything, dad will be like, no, you could have done better. But I'm sure you will do better. This is great. When I was your age, I had no clue what's happening around me. So wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, any questions? Anyone? Yeah, oh, see, come here. Grab this mic. बताइए क्या पूछना है आपको?
If I want to be an author when I grow up, what should I do?
Who wants to take this question?
If you want to be an author when you grow up, first thing first, you should read. You start reading books, any book you want to read. It can be a picture book also if you want to read. If you find reading boring, you can read with pictures. And and if you still find books boring, you can start reading newspaper. I love reading newspapers. My father said, read newspaper, you have to read. So you could start reading newspapers. And the second thing, she's small, yeah, but when she grows up, she should write every day. Small lines every day.
And if I should add to that, you should never be scared to express yourself.
Go ahead and do it, है ना? तो तुमने जब ये बुक लिखी, क्योंकि ये अभी आप 15 साल के हो, राइट? बट सोचा तो पहले होगा. ज़रा मुझे बताओ, व्हाट वाज योर एज एट दैट टाइम और क्या चल रहा था ज़िंदगी में? तुमने कहा कि नहीं और प्रॉब्लम. एक तो वैसे ही स्कूल बहुत ज़्यादा काम होता है. Then you have things going on. Your friends are, calling you and stuff like that. क्यों तुमने ये सोचा और क्या एज थी तुम्हारी उस समय? अच्छा, in the meantime, how many people here write? By a show of hands. Wonderful. Oh wow. See, ये मैंने पहले भी कहा, कल भी मैंने ये कहा और आज भी मैं यहाँ फिर से कह देता हूँ. अगर आप कल नहीं थे तो ये पुणे में ही हो सकता है कि हाँ, और स्टेज से तालियां बजती हैं. मतलब जो लोग यहाँ बैठे होते हैं वो ताली बजाते हैं आपके लिए कि यार कमाल के लोग हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट्स पुणे फॉर यू. बताओ क्या था वो टाइम एंड योर फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड एंड एज. सॉरी.
When I started writing, I was 13 years old in the pandemic, last 2 years. And school was online. So I had a routine fix, like the whole week, same routine. And the mindset, like I love to read. I love literature. In my house, I only read books. I tell everyone, read, please read. They're so good, but like, सबकी choice होती है.
Are you calling out your mom here in front of everybody?
Father. So yeah, I was the one who used to read a lot. I have 2 libraries at my home, big shelves full of books.
Wow.
And so yeah, and I was reading one day Dan Brown, my favorite author. So like I started wondering that if I would write this for myself and if I would show that to everyone, how happy would I be?
Yeah, it's a good. I think. Can we have a big round of applause for this one thing that she said? Go on, Mokshita.
And plus, my father encouraged me to write. He used to give me a topic every day, any topic, and I used to write on that. If I needed some help, I searched on Google or any website, and I'll take help from that, and I wrote it down. Any topic like aviation industry, parliament, federal, and G7, G20, anything he would give me. So I had the habit of writing down things. And then he started just change this into poems.
Oh.
So the topics come randomly to me and I wrote that simply. And this book is full of randomness. See, basically this is a theme book. A theme is leading them, but my book, there's no theme. So the topics are like, I'll give some examples. When the rain falls, I wondered what would the sky will say to the earth when the raindrops fall on the earth.
Oh wow,
So this could be converted into a poem.
that's a beautiful premise. By the way, you're on point when you say this, Mokshita, because let me tell you, I interview and talk to a lot of authors, poets, and that's how it should begin. You're on point. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I started writing, and when I started on writing, it turned out to be good. I got some confidence that I write good, so I continued that. I took help like from many people, searched on like different books. I read how to write poems, but my writing style is just freestyle. I write anything.
Yeah.
I didn't have any writer's block. That all that shit is that happening with all the writers. मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ. It's
अच्छी
just
बात
cut to cut simple thing. If that line doesn't suit, I just cut it and write another line. Just that.
है. Yeah. Why
Simply,
not?
there's no such thing as writer's block or something.
Is there something like a writer's block? You're right. I once listening to this famous comedian called Jerry Seinfeld. So writer's block के बारे में वो बात कर रहे थे कि ये क्या होता है writer's block. He said, I have a practice जहाँ पर एक वो legal paper आता है ना बड़ा सा